Okay, we're in Hendersonville, North Carolina today, and we're going to do a roof cleaning on this house. And we're going to soft wash the house also. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, we got the roof cleaned. Got all the mildew off of the gutters. And you see the roof is back to the original color. If you'd like to get your roof looking this beautiful, called WNC Pressure Washing at 828-331-8118, or visit our website at wncpressurewashing.com to see more pictures and videos.